Say the way to make markets your friend is first in like many good things of life, I think time, patience and hard work. These are the three ingredients of success in general, and it is no different than it is in markets. So I want to just share some data with you. Markets have been down 2008. Many people have memories of 2008. There was large scale panic, a panic much more than this panic. But had people invested then, they would have made a lot more money. But people may say, oh, in hindsight, it is always easy to say that if you invest now, you would make money. But I think, markets are going to just collapse and go away, and where do I go? So the important thing is that, you must chew only that much that you can bear. Most important. What is the source of fear? Source of fear, A, is loss of control. Source of fear is loss of money to some extent. But if you have put a lot of your net worth, lot of your wealth into markets and you see it fluctuating, obviously the whole thing is heightened, because you see that now there is a sense of helplessness, there is a sense of lot of your accumulation of net worth going down, and there is a loss of control. The only way to manage it, and I am saying not control it, manage it, is to take it in bites. Make sure that invest as much as it doesn't impact your lifestyle, it doesn't matter. The way I look at, for my personal investment, I am just sharing, the way I look at it is that, let's say you are, consuming or spending 100 unit of money, so 100 rupees in a month. So basically, if you are doing 100, just think in your mind as if you are spending 110. That 10 goes in investment. Okay. Now 100 is never going to come back to you because you are spending, mind you. So think of it as if 110 is not going to come back to you. The good thing about the 10 is that 10 indeed can become 100 one day. This 100 is certainly going to become 0. That's a good way of making it a friend. Now, suppose this 10 becomes 1000, then obviously you have things to worry about, because 100 you can let go, but 1000 you cannot let go. So make sure that you invest in an amount that you are comfortable with. You invest for that amount that you can let go and not bother about it too much in life, and certainly not jeopardize your life goals, marriage, education, buying a house, buying a car, whatever. Till the time you are there, you will have the sanity of making volatility, making fluctuations your friend. And I'm telling you again and again and again, and I'm talking of 25 years of history. If you see even in Indian markets, the best time to invest has been, although the most fearful time, but the best time to invest has been during carnage.